Have you ever wondered how a simple bedroom space can be transformed into something more, into something more modernized and beautiful? Now, one of the ways to achieve this is by installing a shower cubicle. A shower cubicle provides a dedicated space for bathing while separating the shower area from the toilet and other parts of the bedroom. In those projects, the installer begins by carefully measuring and marking out the exact position where the shower cubicle will be installed. The first stage is very important because proper measurement, like I always said, an accurate marking determines how well the entire installation will come together. After marking out the area, the supporting angles or channels are installed. These components provide, the necessary supports and serve as the structure on which the glass panels will be positioned. At this stage, precision is very important. The installer has to make sure that everything is properly aligned, level and firmly fixed before moving on to the glass installation. And now comes one of the most attractive features of the shower cubicle, that is the glass. Now, glass gives the bedroom a clean, modern, and elegant appearance, while also creating a clear separation between the shower and the rest of the bedroom. Depending on the design and the level of privacy required, different types of glass can be used. All right. For instance, clear glass gives the bedroom a more open appearance, while frosted, patterned, or other privacy glass option can provide greater privacy without completely blocking the natural or artificial lights. This makes the shower cubicle suitable for different tastes, bedroom, and design, and level of privacy. But a shower cubicle is not just about beauty. One of its major advantages is the separation of the wet and dry areas of the bedroom. So instead of water splashing across the entire bedroom while you shower, the glass enclosure helps to contain the water within the shower area. This can make the bedroom easier to maintain and help, keep the surrounding space cleaner and more organized. Another advantage is better use of space. Whether the bedroom is large or relatively compact, a properly installed or designed, shower cubicle can, really be customized to fit the available space. And because there are different designs, glass options, and fittings available, the enclosure can be made to complement the overall appearance of the bedroom. But remember, the quality of the finished shower cubicle depends greatly on the quality of the installation. Now, accurate measurements, proper alignments, suitable glass, strong supporting components, and the neat finishing, these all play important roles. So this is not simply about putting glass around the shower. It is a combination, measurement, precision, fabrication, and installation. So as we can see in this project, the process starts from a simple marked out space and gradually becomes a functional and attractive shower enclosure. Now, the final result is a bedroom with a dedicated shower area that provides beauty, privacy, functionality, and other better organization. So if you are planning to renovate your bedroom, or you are building a new one, a well-designed shower cubicle may be worth considering. All right. So choose the right design, select the appropriate, glass, and most importantly, work with an installer who understands the importance of precision and proper finishing. All right. Why am I saying all this? Why? Because sometimes it is not the size of the bedroom that makes the difference. All right. As you can see in this project, just a small space. It is how the available space is designed and utilized. This is Creative TV. Like this video, share it, and follow for more creative ideas. If you need any information regarding to shower cubicle, the accessories, and the rest of them, drop your question in the comment section. Till I come your way again, this is Creative TV. Bye for now.